also right in the front of the Magic Kingdom. They're doing renovations. If anybody knows what's going on here, let me know, because I had absolutely no idea this was going on until I actually got here. Yeah. What's up, freaks? Your pal out here, and today we are at the Magic Kingdom doing another construction update. Actually, a series of construction updates across all the kingdoms, all the lands, all the places, all the stuff, before D23 cranks up. Hopefully, I get this video out by then. Without further ado, let's freak out. Go on.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Love that awesome parade. Speaking of parades, supposedly, rumor has it, Disney's going to be bringing back the nighttime parades. We'll have to see what they have in store. It might be something new, or it might be the classic electric parade. I love that parade. Really cool. Now that we have this new GoPro 7 Black, may be able to pick up the electric parade in all its twinkly light, glorious goodness. Oh man, I wish it would hurry up and come now. Alright, so first up on the scale is this little area. You might recognize this as the place where you park all the strollers. And there's also a seating area where you can get fruits and vegetables and stuff like that there. Little snacks and whatnot behind here, but they're refurbishing it, cleaning it up, repainting it, making it fresh and brand new. Right next to the boat. It's a big boat. Speaking of refurbishment, It's a Small World might be getting a refurbishment too. A whole bunch of new dolls might be added to the mix, just like they did in the overseas Disney spots. Hi, how you doing? We're gonna see what happens soon. There will be walls up, so we might see some new additions. But hopefully they'll stick to the classic Mary Blair take on the whole thing. We'll have to wait and see. Look at everybody waving. Having a good time. Hi everybody. I'd like to have a good time too, but we have more things to look at and cover. Let's get out of here. Alright, so we're gonna head over to Tron, and it's open. It's actually open. The shop is open, and we could actually get the Witch's Frozen Brew. Today's a good day.
Daddy?
It's rainy. It's a good day. Hi. Can I get a Witch's Frozen Brew and a jumbo pretzel? Fantastic. Thank you. Minute Maid frozen lemonade with a frozen Coca-Cola swirled with morning cherry, Granny Smith apple, watermelon, and red passion fruit syrup. My God, that's incredible. All right, so let's give this a try here. It's probably nothing. Let's try this. It's candy goodness. Oh my God, you gotta try this. You can't try this. You gotta come here and try this. You gotta have some of this. I'm gonna need a minute. Folks. You guys gotta. The robe wasn't lying. The robe was not lying about this one. Holy crap. Thanks for the recommendation, Robe. That's fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Tron in all its glory. Coming along. Looking good. And soon, we will be riding. Not too soon. I mean, it's still got like another year and a half before it actually opens, but it looks cool. They got the scaffolding up, all that kind of stuff. They're gonna be building the roof over the top end of the rails there and all that. But they got the rails in. It's looking really good. Wonder if we can get a better look at it from another area. Let's find out. Hey, pardon me. Pardon me. Pardon me. Sir, that's not a handle. That's not a handle. Excuse me. Pardon me. Oh, this used to be a really good view of Tron. But they got a big mountain of dirt and a bunch of new trees up. So it is coming along. Hopefully, we'll be on it. I'm hoping. You know what else I'm hoping? We can ride that again. I miss my train. I miss my train. Before leaving Tomorrowland, there's something different here. The archway has magically disappeared. All there is these wooden stumps of what used to be. But fear not. It's actually being refurbished. They took it to the warehouse. Just left these stumps here as a remembrance. But it'll be back. And my God, it will be beautiful. Also, rumor has it that the steampunk vibe of Tomorrowland, as you see here, will be disappearing. There'll be a different type of theming to it. I think they're probably going to go back to the classic. Say goodbye to steampunk. The archway was the first to go. And phase 2 begins. So that's pretty much what's going on over at the Magic Kingdom. But wait, hold on. I didn't do a rumor yet. See you guys later. We always do a rumor. We always end up doing, you know, what we've heard. What we've heard. Pretty big. Over in Adventureland, they've always wanted to build an e-ticket ride by the name of Fire Mountain. And from what I've heard, this is strictly rumor, by the way, it may come to pass, but not over at Adventureland. Oh no, somewhere more familiar. And what better place to drop it at than Discovery Island? You just ruined my shot. What better place to put it than Discovery Island? But it's just a rumor. And like all rumors with Disney, usually they won't come. Or will they? Find out next episode when I come back here when it's less crowded. Till then, remember, you stop honking that horn. We've had our freak out. Now it's time to pass out. Oh God. I gotta pick better locations than this. We'll see you real soon.
Well, what do you mean? Well, like the Declaration says, we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are, all together now, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
I'm gonna be famous on them YouTubes.